Hi, this is Chrissy, and for my technology, I chose the integrated vital signs machines at LGH. So what are they? They're the bedside monitors that monitor the patient's vital signs, and they are connected to the Internet of Things, the hospital network, and the patient's chart. So the stakeholders for these machines include the patients whose vital signs we are monitoring and who we are caring for, so they are directly affected by this technology. The providers, the nurses, the aides, they're the ones utilizing this technology to care for the patients. And then quality improvement, they are the ones constantly monitoring patient satisfaction, patient safety, and they help us with our goals of standards, so to speak. So the effect on communication is that the vital signs are available in real time because they are automatically transferred into the patient's chart. This allows for better utilization of the early warning signs of deterioration, or at the hospital they are utilizing, I believe, the Muse system. And ultimately that improves patient satisfaction because if a patient is headed towards deterioration, we are able to act a lot faster than if we were to manually monitor their vitals. So again, improved communication between providers and nurses is a major benefit of these machines. It also allows for less task management. The nurses and the aides aren't going in every couple of hours and thinking, oh, I have to write all this down. I have to write all this down. Because then it also allows us to save time on charting. Because again, these are automatically transferred over to the chart and we can see them in real time. The vital signs machines also have a frequency setting. So patients who come up from post-op, or if we notice they have low blood pressure or other issues with their vital signs, we can closely monitor them. And because we're able to closely monitor them and we get these vitals in real time, it saves in unexpected critical care costs. There are some drawbacks though. Some of the senior staff have voiced that they don't really like this new technology just because it might be difficult for them to use. In addition to that, if the network goes down, we do have to go back and manually enter the vital signs like we used to. And again, this requires specialized IT personnel to manage that network. And they can be quite expensive to install, but again, because we are saving in all of that critical care cost, the vital signs machines pretty much pay themselves off. And here's my reference. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.